Hey guys, and welcome back to the Arisa's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Welcome back to Vlogmas. This is day 3, and as I told y'all, I was going to be giving y'all the long-awaited keto update. And for all my new subbies, I just want to shout y'all out. I am so happy to have so many of you coming on board with me, just wanting to hear what your girl got to say. I give really good videos, at least I think. I feel like I just discuss everything from fashion. I discuss everything from beauty, lifestyle stuff, weight loss, all that good stuff. So I'm so happy that I'm getting so many new subbies that are coming on board. Y'all do not go unnoticed. So I definitely want to give y'all a shout out. And then thank y'all for tuning in to Vlogmas. Let you guys let me know what you guys have been thinking so far. This is new for me. Putting up a video every day is a lot of work. Racing home, trying to beat the freaking sunlight so I can record these videos in a well-lit setting. So I just really do appreciate all the love. If you guys could just give me some feedback, interact with me, I would really, really appreciate that. And then lastly but not least, if you are not subscribed, I'm not sure why you're not subscribed, but I think you may want to go ahead and do that. And it's very easy to do. You just go ahead and hit like the little thumbs up thing somewhere down below. And then if you also are not hitting that notification bell, I don't know why, because how else are you going to know when I upload these videos? I mean, don't you guys want to know when I'm uploading? At least I think you should want to know, because I feel like I give really bomb content. But anyways, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I have had so many questions about my keto journey. What I'm doing, how I like it, am I still on keto? How do you get started on keto? But mainly, am I still doing keto? That's the number one question that I would say I get the most. So I have some notes here because I did not want to miss any pointers. So first question is that I'm going to go ahead and address. I'm going to get it out the way. Am I still on keto? And the answer is yes. I am still on keto because keto changed my life. I'm not going to just throw keto to the curb. I mean, keto is how I was able to lose this amount of weight in such a short period of time. Now, you think I'm about to go back and start eating burgers and fries and chicken tenders and all that stuff whenever I want to? Hell no. Excuse my French, but no, I'm not doing that. That's just a personal preference of mine. A lot of people are like, oh, well, you can do this just a little. I'm not saying that I do not indulge here and there in things that are not keto. That's not what I'm saying. But overall, as a whole, do I still follow the keto diet? Yes. When I go to the grocery store, am I looking at labels for carbs? Yes, I'm still doing that. So I want to go ahead and just address that right now, because I have people that are like, cooking or inviting me over for dinner and stuff like that. And the first thing they say, oh, you're still doing that? Just because I lost weight does not mean I'm throwing it to the side. So I want to go ahead and just first things first, just get that out the way. Next thing. Will I remain on keto? And I kind of just piggybacked off of that, but yes, I'm going to remain on keto. This is something that I feel that I can maintain. I love the results that I get from keto. And yeah, that's just like, I feel like I just answered that before, but yeah, keto really is something that really works for me. I'm still in amazement at just how much weight that I've really lost. I can see it. I've been comparing myself. You guys are going to see a before and after pic in this vlog, even though it's not really a formal vlog, but you guys know what I'm saying. But I'm going to show you guys exactly what keto can do, what it did for me, and what it can do for you too. So yeah. Next one. Am I working out? Sis. No, I don't. Am I saying that that's the right thing to do? I'm not. Do I think I'm going to work out? Yes. Eventually. But I'm just like one of those people, like everybody else, who procrastinates, puts it off, makes excuses. Now, the reason that I'm not so hell-bent on working out is just because of the fact that the main reason that I was working out when I did work out was to lose weight. But I found out that working out is really just a very, very small piece to the puzzle when you're trying to lose weight. Very small. I worked out consistently, I would say, for like 3 years straight. I would at least go to the gym 3 days a week. However, I was not eating properly. So even though I was working out, building muscle and all that good stuff, I was still gaining weight. And I mean, why put myself through all that? Like, I'm getting up before work, going to the gym, after work, after a long, hard day at work, going to the gym, because my gym, happens to be at my place of employment. But yeah, and I'm doing all that and I get no results that I want. So in my head, I'm like, it's not something like the whole point is for me to work out. Now, some people say, oh, I just go to work to just go work out just to, be active and stuff like that, which is all fine. But that's not a priority for me, especially when I'm trying to do so many different things in my life right now. And I work 2 jobs and stuff. So working out, it is something that I'm definitely not opposed to it. But right now, no. If for the lifestyle that I am living and stuff like that, working out would really, really take a lot of effort. And at the weight that I'm at, I'm just like so comfortable with the weight that I'm at that it's not anything that I need to really, yeah. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it's not something that I put at the top of my priority list. I'll just leave it at that. Next thing. Advice to people who are thinking about starting keto. Now, if you're thinking about starting keto, do it. Now, I will say this. Maybe you want to gradually do it, because when I first started keto, hopefully you've been watching you've watched my other video on my introduction to my keto journey. But I got sick. So, I went really hard, though. I wanted to lose the most weight in the fastest amount of time, because in my head, keto was not something that I was going to be doing long term. That's what I was thinking. I didn't think it was something I could do long term until I started doing it and realizing it's not really that hard. But if you're going to start keto, I would say, just make sure that you're in the right headspace. It's definitely something where it's going to take a lot of mind control. You have to change the relationship that you have with food. I'll leave it like that. If you're a person that's really into food and elaborate things, and you don't feel like you can let that part of it go, I don't recommend keto. Is there other ways to lose weight besides keto? Yes. Am I the advocate for keto? Yes. The only reason I'm saying that is because a lot of times when you lose weight, you want fast results. Keto's going to give you these fast results, but you're not going to get to those fast results unless, and I'm sorry, but I gotta say this, y'all, unless you stick with it. I mean, you have to really do it. You cannot start off keto doing cheat days. First thing somebody asks me is like, oh, well, can I cheat? You can do whatever you want to do. Now, will you get the results you want to get? Probably not. Will you get my results from cheating? No. I didn't even think about cheating till I got to my goal weight. And when I'm talking about cheating, I'm talking about maybe having 4 French fries here and there, or maybe having a piece of cake once a month. That's my idea of cheating. Am I going out just eating bowls of rice and, or big things of carbs and noodles and pastas? No, I don't do that. I don't have a desire to. I don't have a craving for that. But I had to train myself and my mind, to not want to do that, because it's not going to be easy. Anything that you want in life that's worth having is not going to be easy. So it really just depends on how you feel. If you don't want to do it this hardcore, don't do it. That's the main thing I want to say is don't do it. Don't feel like you have to be a certain way around me or anybody else that's doing keto. If that's not your thing, it's just not your thing. But if you are thinking about doing it, I will let you know that yes, keto really does work, and that's what I did. And then another thing I want to touch on is the fact that I did do intermittent fasting mixed with the keto. So with that being said, I basically had an 8-hour eating window every day. So of course that's going to help jumpstart, things a little quicker too. So I do want to throw that in there. So if you do intermittent fasting mixed with the keto, your results are obviously going to be twice as fast, because you are, you are going to lose weight from fasting in general, and you don't have that carb part. So yes, all that plays into effect with starting keto. Do I recommend intermittent fasting first starting off? Probably not. Let yourself get acclimated to it. Intermittent fasting can be challenging sometimes, because sometimes, if you're a snacker like me, I was a snacker. I like to snack at night. If I'm watching a show or something, I want to snack. I had to train myself not to do that. But yeah, so it's just a lot that goes into it. But I definitely would say, if you are thinking about starting keto, do not be discouraged. I'm here to answer any of your questions. I can help you. And I'm just, I'm here for y'all. Just let me know any questions you want to know. But I'm going to go ahead and get into the thing that everybody wants to know. And this is what y'all all want to know. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just tell y'all. Everybody wants to know, all together,
how much weight have I really lost?
How much weight has your girl really lost? And I will tell you that altogether I have lost 55 pounds. Yes, y'all. Altogether I've lost 55 pounds, and that has been between July and now, which is December. What's today? The 3rd? The 2nd. Today's December 2nd. So you do the math, but yes, that's how much I've weighed. That's how much weight I've lost in that time period. Am I in shock? Yes. Are other people in shock? Yes. Hell yes. People, they see me and they're like, I don't even recognize you. You look so different. How'd you do that fast? And the answer is keto. But I also got something else to tell y'all, because y'all want to know so much about keto. And if y'all want to get these same results that I got, let me tell y'all what I did, or what I'm going to be doing. I am going to be putting out an ebook. Yes, your girl's going to put out an ebook, and I am going to answer every single question. I'm going to give you the formula that I use step by step, because it's too hard. I can't answer every intricate little question to everybody. But what I can do is I can give you some knowledge at a very affordable cost. And to me, it's worth it, because if you really want to lose weight, I mean, you know, you're out here spending hundreds of dollars on those meal plans and all that stuff. I'm going to be giving you the formula where you're not even going to be having to spend that much money, because I'm going to tell you what groceries to get. I'm going to give you exactly what I did on a day-to-day basis. And I'm even going to include, I'm not a big cooker, but I'm going to include a little bit of recipes in there. Just little, like, especially like for sweets and stuff that I use. I'm going to put that in there. And it's just going to be awesome. So I'm so excited about that, y'all. So early 2019, be on the lookout for my ebook. It's going to be your guide to ketosis. That's not the title, but I'm just letting you know that's what the gist of it is. So yes, y'all, keto works. I'm so happy that you guys stay tuned for this vlog. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. I love to hear from you guys. And until the next vlog, which will be tomorrow, bye guys.